Somebody say process. Now, let me break some things down and let you go. The difference between David and King Saul is this. David, at the age of 17, was anointed with the oil of recognition. You see, you have to be careful about recognition and appointment. You can be recognized and yet not appointed. And that is the problem with us. As soon as we get a little recognition and a little exposure, we develop this mentality of, I have arrived. Who told you? David was anointed to be king at the age of 17, and it took him, he was anointed to be king 17,